Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Mokter Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today, I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of Class 3. The students, let's see the board. Class 3, Subject Islam, Topic SQ 123, Chapter 4, Lecture number 6, and SW also will be 6. Term Annual 21. This is my mobile number. Dear students, so let's start our today's topic. Short question number 1. What is harkat? And the answer will be, in Arabic language, some signs are used with letters. These vowel signs used in Arabic are called harkat. Now number 2, what is nukta? And the answer will be, there are one or more dots on or under Arabic letters. These dots are called nukta. There are 15 letters with nukta among 29 letters. Now number 3, what is tanween? And the answer will be, use of double jabr, double jar and double pesh are called tanween. Tanween means to make a sound of noon. Dear students, now SW number 6, SW topic will be short question, any two of these 3 questions. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic properly. Keep practicing at your home. Stay safe and well. See you again inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.